Welcome, beloved. There's a difference between stress and burnout. Stress is too much, too many demands, too much pressure, too much to carry. Burnout is not enough. Not enough energy, not enough feeling, not enough left to give. If you're listening to this, you might be past stress. You might be running on empty, not overwhelmed, just depleted, numb, going through the motions. Listen to what Jesus says to souls like ours from Matthew 11. Come to me, all who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am gentle and humble in heart, and you will find rest for your souls. This meditation is for emptiness in the soul, for people who have been pouring out for so long, they've forgotten what it feels like to be filled. For the next few moments, we're not going to try to fix this. We're just going to come to Jesus, the one who is gentle and humble in heart. And remember, you are allowed to receive. Get comfortable. Close your eyes if that feels comfortable. And take a deep breath in and a slow releasing breath out. Let's start with honesty. God already knows you're running on empty. You don't have to pretend with Him. So take a moment and notice, where do you feel the emptiness? In your chest, in your gut, in the heaviness behind your eyes, in the flatness of your voice when you talk about your work. No need to change it, just notice it. Now hear these words again. Come to me, all who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Not work harder, not try to rest better, and not you should be grateful. Just come, and I will give. Imagine yourself standing before Jesus, not the Jesus who needs something from you, not the Jesus who's disappointed in your lack of faith, the Jesus who in His own words is gentle and humble in heart. What does His face look like when He sees how tired you are? He's not surprised. He's not judging. He's just looking at you with such tenderness. And he says, "Come to me. You don't have to earn this. Just come. Just receive." For the next few minutes, practice coming. Practice receiving, not doing, not fixing, not performing, just receiving. Breathe in slowly and imagine breathing in the rest Jesus offers. And slowly exhale. As you continue to breathe, remember this is not a concept, but an actual feeling. Breathe in. And as you breathe out, release the lie that you have to stay full for everyone else. I am gentle and humble in heart. Keep breathing. Keep coming to Him, letting yourself be filled without earning it. If your mind wanders to your to-do list, that's okay. Just notice it and return to the breath. Return to Jesus' invitation to come. Notice this feeling doesn't require you to do anything. It doesn't require you to be more spiritual, more faithful, or more grateful. It just requires you to come, to be present, to let yourself be loved in your emptiness by the one who is gentle and humble in heart. One more deep breath in and slowly out. Come to me, and I will give you rest. As we close, I want to remind you, this feeling of depletion didn't happen overnight, and it won't heal overnight either. but you just practiced something radical. You came to Jesus for a few minutes and you let him fill you without producing anything in return. That's not nothing. That's responding to his invitation. That's resistance against a culture that demands you stay full while running on fumes. You can return to this practice whenever you notice the emptiness, daily if you need to, even multiple times a day. You see, there's no shame in needing to be filled by God. Even when Jesus withdrew to lonely places to be with the Father, he reminds us, "Come to me, all who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest." You are beloved, not for what you produce, just because you are. Go gently today. Amen, and thanks be to God.